All right, folks, picture this. An anime world where Iron Man and Spider-Man are not just heroes, but fierce rivals. Flames roar and rubble is scattered everywhere. The city is in chaos. Iron Man, suit gleaming in the fiery light, soars through the smoke-filled sky. He lands with a thunderous crash, sending debris flying. There's no sign of hesitation in his eyes. "This ends now, Spider-Man," he declares, voice echoing through the wreckage. From the shadows, Spider-Man flips into view, his suit torn but his spirit unbroken. "You think you can stop me, Tony?" he quips, web shooters at the ready. The tension is thick enough to cut with a katana. Iron Man powers up his repulsor beams, and Spider-Man retaliates with lightning-fast web slings. They clash in an explosive dance of fiery brilliance. Each strike, each counter echoes the turmoil of their once unbreakable bond. The ground trembles as Iron Man unleashes a barrage of missiles. Spider-Man dodges with acrobatic finesse, swinging through the flames like a phantom. "You're good, Tony," he shouts, "but not good enough." Iron Man's eyes narrow. "We'll see about that, Peter," he replies, launching himself at Spider-Man with jet-fueled speed. The impact leaves a crater, dust and sparks flying in every direction. Amidst the chaos, their battle rages on. They're evenly matched, but neither is willing to back down. The fire around them symbolizes their fury, their unyielding will. In a moment of breathless tension, they pause, staring each other down. Sweat drips, breaths are heavy, but the fight isn't over. Not yet. As the screen fades to black, one thing is clear. This battle between Iron Man and Spider-Man is far from finished. Who will emerge victorious? Stay tuned to find out, and remember, in this world of chaos and flames, heroes can be rivals too. Catch you in the next episode.